First, open your design in the Wilcom software and enter the graphic mode. Use the pen tool and trace a margin around the design. Give a right click to a vector and then select Curve. That smooths the vector so you can edit it. Do the same with the rest of the vectors. Export the project as a DXF file and return to embroidery mode. With the Select tool, give a right click on the margin, then Convert and convert to Run. Select the margin again and give it a color using the tab located below. In the window at the right, select the margins layer and take it to the top. Pull the layer into the margin. Then right-click, Convert, and convert to Input C. Go to the upper tab, select Stitch, and then Stitch Effect. In the right side of the screen, a window will appear. Select Outline. Do a small trace over the margin. If it gets too thick, head to the Fills tab and lower the length. Now go to Special, Column, and lower the width until your margin looks perfect. Return to Fills and lower Adjust. Export your project as a DST file, and now, with the design ready, we must prepare the frame. We need the following items. Stabilizer. Better if you have it the same color as your garment. Felt. If you want a better quality fabric, we recommend twill. Scissors. Spray adhesive. An embroidery machine. Fusible web adhesive or Thermo adhesive paper. Plate for sublimation. If it doesn't have a Teflon pillow, you can use a Teflon plate or waxed paper. Start by putting the stabilizer in the frame. Put about 2 layers to strengthen it. It has to be tightened to avoid any mistake. You can use a CO2 laser machine to cut the fabric into shape, fastening the production. Install the frame in the machine and embroider the edge of the design. Use the spray adhesive to glue the cut fabric inside the edge. If you don't have a laser machine to cut the fabric, you can embroider the edge over the whole fabric, cut the extra material, and finish the work. Now, you can start the embroidery. Take the adhesive paper and cut it to the size of the patch. You may cut it a bit larger so you don't miss any spot. Preheat your plate for sublimation at 248 degrees and set 10 seconds on the clock. Put the Teflon pillow on the plate first. You can also put waxed paper or even a piece of cloth. Then, with the patch facing down, followed by the Thermo heated paper, with the shiny side facing down as well. And then another layer of Teflon or waxed paper. Close the plate and wait till time's up. When ready, rise in the plate. The adhesive is glued to the patch and it has a glossy layer in the back. We need to iron the garment previously to avoid any wrinkle that can lead to a mistake. You can use either polyester or cotton-based fabrics, but the plate's temperature and time settings will vary depending on the fabric. Before closing the plate, you must put the Teflon or the waxed paper inside your garment, right where your patch will be. Then, put the patch and close the plate and let the time pass. Lift the plate and leave the garment to cool off for a few minutes. This will allow the glue to fix better to the fabric. That's all, our patch is glued in the garment. You may put it back in the plate for sublimation for a few seconds if the patch doesn't glue well.
Thank you for watching our video. We really hope this inspires you to add a new product into your embroidery business. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video and info and tutorials about your CAMFive embroidery machines. I'm Hector, we see you in the next video.